Well, there he is right there. Hey, boy. Okay, he's getting a treat right now. He came to visit, so there he is. Thought everybody'd want to see boy. Yep, he's having a good time right there in front of the furnace. Let's get on outside and check our cold weather preparation, shall we? Let's see how we did. Can I get some light on that? Lighten that up a little bit, maybe. Let's check it out. Pan out a little bit there. There it's showing up. Yeah, I got my skirting done on my trailer. Ready for the cold winter. So yeah, even if I was going to travel up in cold climate places, I definitely want to have these tarps with. And that's basically how you do it. You wrap a tarp around the bottom half of the trailer for insulation, air pocket type insulation, and there you have it. Hopefully that was helpful to some of you. So just a quick kind of how it's done. So all your bushcrafting instructors that are teaching you to do tarp shelters and stuff like that, and all of your fancy knots and truckers hitches and things like that with the paracord, all of that stuff applies directly to skirting whatever you need to, whatever you're living in, travel trailer, pickup, car. All of that helps create, or it helps store heat and keeps out the extreme cold. So it's really important to do. All right, I'm checking my clearance on my exhaust pipe right there. That's working out just fine. So there we are. Okay, I'm Dead Wolf. I'll see you soon on the next one. Thanks for being there, everyone.